So the last chapter for the syllabus of science geography this year is nature and scope, lesson number 8, Prakran art. So on the first page of lesson number 8 itself, that is page number 75, you have this Sanga Pahu. Let's recall. There itself you have a chart which is based on the mountain, oceans, climate, vegetation, agriculture, which is also called as Parvat, Mahasagar, Havaman, Vanaspati, Sheti, Nakashe. So this part is totally eliminated. The same table, the geographical explanation is given on the same page, that is page number 75, is being eliminated. Next is Sanga Pahu, can you tell? So this is also eliminated from your this chapter, which is environment versus man, the difference between environment versus man, or complete study of India versus study on only agriculture in India. ओके. ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला दोन डिफरन्स सांगायचे, दॅट इज पर्यावरण विरुद्ध मानव आणि भारताचा संपूर्ण अभ्यास विरुद्ध भारतातील फक्त शेतीचा अभ्यास. Next is this is the diagram which is being discussed in this chapter. It is called as relationship of geography with other subjects. So it is called as भूगोलाचा अन्य विषयांशी असलेला सहसंबंध. So this part is also eliminated this year. So the explanation of this, that is relationship of geography with other subject, is also eliminated along with this, which is on page number 79.